If you're planning on going to a career fair, you're probably feeling nervous, excited, and you may not really know what to expect. Whether you are attending in pursuit of a specific job or internship opportunity, or if you're just going to explore and see what various employers have to offer, this short video will give you some quick pointers on how to prepare for the fair. At the career fair, employers will be at tables or booths with information about their company. They're excited to meet students like you to establish relationships and source candidates for open positions. Employers will be most impressed if you know a little bit about their company, ask informed questions, have your resume ready, and are prepared to talk about your skills and experience. Students who prepare for these things beforehand report having the greatest success at career fairs. So, what do you need to do to prepare? First, you want to research the companies that will be attending the fair on the career fair website. You can also visit their company website to learn more about them and any position they may have open. It would be great to develop a target list of employers that you want to talk to so that you can focus your preparation and time at the fair around these companies. You may also want to prepare a list of informed questions to ask each employer that you are interested in. After completing your research, you will want to reflect on your skills and experience to understand and articulate how they match up with the companies attending the fair and the open positions. Use these skills to develop a standout resume to give to employers that will highlight your related skills and experience. Meet with the Career Development Center for additional pointers on your resume before attending the fair. You will want to print copies of your resume on resume paper, which is a 24-pound paper, and you'll want to make enough copies to give to all of the employers that you know that you want to talk to, and we would encourage taking 10 extra copies just in case someone is attending the fair that you didn't think you would be interested in. Employers will expect you to have a 30 to 60-second introduction prepared when you walk up to their table. This will be your first impression and your opportunity to stand out. So think about how your education and/or experience relate to the organization's needs based on your research. Provide the following information during your introduction: your name, your class year, your major, relevant experiences that you've had, whether they're work, internships, or volunteer, and then highlight your skills and strengths that you would bring to the company or position. You can also add in knowledge that you have of the company and information about the opportunities that you are seeking. In order to practice your introduction and receive feedback, stop by the Career Development Center. It is important to dress and look professional. However, this may look different depending on what fair you are attending. When attending fairs in Corvallis, you will want to dress in business professional attire. This would include a suit, dress shirt, and tie for men, and a suit or dress suit and a dress shirt or blouse for women. For fairs in Bend, however, business casual may be more appropriate, although it is never a bad idea to wear a suit if you have one. Business casual could include dress slacks and a collared shirt for men, and dress slacks or a skirt and a collared shirt or blouse or a nice dress for women. Be sure to wear comfortable, closed-toed shoes as you will be walking and standing a lot at the fair. Remember that it's best to travel light, so leave your backpack, coat, and cell phone at home or in the car. Corvallis fairs also have a coat check where you can check your items if needed. When you arrive at the fair, you will receive a list of employers attending and a map to tell you where they are located. Review the map of employer tables and strategize your route so that you aren't running all over the place. We recommend visiting employers of less interest first to practice your introduction and help ease your nerves before going out to the employers that you are most interested in. Plan to spend about 5 minutes at each table. Again, employers will expect you to have your 30 to 60-second introduction prepared when you walk up to the table, so be prepared to initiate the conversation. To present yourself confidently, you will want to shake hands firmly, maintain good eye contact, and speak clearly and concisely. Show enthusiasm and interest by smiling and asking the questions that you prepared while doing your research. In wrapping up your conversation, ask about next steps. When and where will positions be posted for you to apply, and when might they be interviewing? Be sure to collect business cards of the recruiters that you talk to so that you can follow up. After the fair, reflect on your experience. What went well? What didn't? What would you do differently next time? Write down notes on the employers that you talked with and the open positions they shared with you. Send a short follow-up email to employers you were most interested in or who spent significant time with you at the fair to thank them for their time, reiterate your interest in the company or position, and indicate your next steps if you plan to apply or keep in touch. To review, you want to research companies attending the fair, create a resume to pass out to employers, prepare your 30 to 60-second introduction, dress professionally, Plan your route to use your time wisely, initiate the conversation with employers at the table, collect business cards from employers that you talk to, and reflect on what you learned from your experience and follow up with employers. That sums up our quick tips for the career fair. If you have a question, contact the Career Development Center or visit the website for more information.